Jim Black of InstaMortgage, along here with
Dwayne Dawson.
And we're here to celebrate Blvd today. It's a Keller Williams training, master training in Silicon Valley. There's about 100 agents here, and we're excited to be here to help train, educate, and promote products to help them get escrows. Dwayne, what's one of the products we've talked about today?
Bridge loans, great product right now, particularly in this market. A lot of all cash offers, people trying to compete. They're not going to get an offer accepted that's contingent, so a bridge loan can be a great option, particularly with someone with a bit of equity in a home that they already own.
Awesome, that's great. And David Jones is the actual trainer today. He's out of San Antonio, Texas. So come watch the video. Thanks for letting us be here. InstaMortgage is a resource for you, for your success, and cheers to 2022.
Thanks so much.